one is for the blue team too. There we go. We've got the Kansas City Canaries. Okay, so first I have to ask, has anyone seen the show? No, you haven't. This is the first show at Fringe, so you can't have seen it already. But is anyone in the audience one of the Canaries that are involved in the show?
Canaries? Any canary?
Any canary? One of the Kansas City Canaries, specifically. No? Okay, we don't have to do that then. So it'll be left to the critic to judge the performance. The other thing we do at Fringeprov, which isn't going to matter tonight, is ask the cast members if they have seen this show. Because if they have seen the show, they do not get to participate. They're only supposed to improv from the show description. But it's first show Fringe. Nobody's seen anything, so we don't have to worry about that tonight. But those are the rules of Fringeprov. So, what's going to happen is I will read the show description, and then the blue team will do their performance based on this description. On the biggest night of their season, the Kansas City Canaries discover a mysterious antique mirror hidden among their costumes. One touch sends the troupe on a dazzling journey through time, from Parisian can-can halls to Broadway stages, wartime USO shows, swinging 60s dance floors, and glittering Vegas reviews. The dancers don't just perform history, they live it. Life of a Chorus Girl is a high-energy celebration of legacy, teamwork, and timeless sparkle. Kansas City Canaries. Now this is a dance show. Do you want music with this piece, or do you want to do it without music? Oh, we can sing? Yeah. Okay. Sure. Yeah. This is a dancing show. All right, so we'll give them some music, and they can perform whenever you're ready.
I'm really tired of all this time travel. Let's find that mirror. Where is it? We're in hell. I don't know. I can't get the time. No mirrors now. There's no civil rights in any of these time periods. Wait, are you sure I come mirror from here? Well, kinda. What if we were just our own mirrors? What? Ourselves?
Are you telling me that the power has been inside of us the whole time?
The whole time, you guys. Oh.
If we were looking in each other's eyes, and we can see the mirror of humanity within each other, and maybe we'll go back. No.
I'm feeling a dance coming on your head. Oh. I thought it was a mirror.
Oh, no. I feel like mirroring you.
This one's gonna be me. I'm the mirror! I'm back to the present!
We have someone to mirror.
What have we stepped to our show?
I am so tired.
You guys, I have something to tell you. What's that? I slept with one of those USO officers. I think I might own Darren.
What?
I don't know how that happened.
Is that why you're disappearing?
Oh no!
We have to go back.
God damn it.
Canaries. Critic has some opinions here, I'm sure.
Oh, I have lots of opinions. My opinion about this particular, right, okay. Yesterday, all my troubles seemed so far away. But now, they're here to stay.
Wow. I believe this.
Beautiful.
I think you said you were trouble.
Words of wisdom, words from the critic, yeah. How many points do you give the Kansas City Canaries for their?
Well, let's see. Entering time and time again only happened like once. So I can't rate it on that. I suppose I could rate it on pirouettes, but I didn't count them all. Do you have any ideas how many pirouettes they did?
About 7.
7 pirouettes.
Seven
All right.
pirouettes.
So 7 points.
7 points. I think that puts him in the lead. Hooray.